Adding a debit card to your Wells Fargo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete it correctly. Step 1. Log into your Wells Fargo account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that updates your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Manage Cards section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account options. Step 3. Select Add a Debit Card. In the Account Services section, find the option to add a debit card or order a new card. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your card information. You will be prompted to enter the necessary information for your new debit card. This may include your card number, expiration date, and security code. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your card information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to finalize the addition of your debit card to your account. Now you have successfully added a debit card to your Wells Fargo account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wells Fargo customer support for assistance.